Hello, I'm Sam Lowes. I'm here today with my brother Alex to unbox the new modular helmet from Shark, the EVOJET. This helmet features a brand new innovative design inspired by the urban mobility scene. As you can see, the visor has a huge range of vision and is a Class 1 optical rating equal to our race helmets. If you can just put it on, Alex, please. Yeah. Ooh. It's so hard to tell if it's an open face helmet or a full face helmet. When I've got the helmet down, I've got such a wide view, such a big vision. Yeah, it's because the high range of vision is down to the visor and being optical 1 rated. And when you put it down, now as you can see, the visor is integrated into the chin. So it's all one piece. So for me, this is a very innovative design and new, but works very well.
Yeah, honestly, when I've got it on, it's really impressive. Down this part, there's so much more vision than a normal full face helmet.
Yeah, this helmet is actually certified as full faced and open faced. And Shark being the first brand to have the dual homologation lets this be possible. If you can put the visor down. Yeah. As you can see, we have front vent, top vent and also a vent to the rear. The interior of the helmet features a microfabric which is anti-odour and antibacterial. How does it feel, Al?
Yeah, really comfortable. Nice fit,
yeah,
and really comfortable.
Just another thing, Alex, if you put the visor down, you can see, for them cool days when we're riding and it's sunny, we also have the feature of the sun visor. This helmet is available in a variety of different colours. That's it for the EVOJET. Check out the tech spec.